The EN379 standard rates the auto-darkening welding lens for optical clarity based on 4 categories. Each category is rated from 1 to 3. 1 is the best rating, 3 is the worst rating. The first digit is the optical accuracy. If this number is 3, then looking through the lens will distort the view. The second digit is the diffusion of light. If this number is 3, then looking through the lens will make the object appear blurry. The third digit is the luminous transmittance. If this number is 3, then the lens may have dark spots or dark areas when looking through it. The fourth digit is angle dependence or luminous transmittance. If this number is 3, the lens may show dark spots, blurriness, or distortions in the view if you look at the work from an angle through the lens.